welcome back to the channel. Today is my birthday. I'm 8 years old and my birthday is September 28th. And I got a bunch of Rubik's Cubes. So I'm going to unbox them right in front of you. And then let's go 2x2, 3x3 pyramids. Okay. So this is the 2x2. As you can see, this carbon fiber. And that's Max Volk. Let's open it up and let's see the speed of it. So there's a pamphlet. I'm just going to put that away. Let's see the speed. Guys, this is good. This can be my new main. What main means, like best 2x2. This is very good. I could use this for my main for years. No lockups. Okay, on to the next puzzle. So let's do this 3x3 and then we'll go on to this 3x3. I got this one today. So, I forgot to tell you. This is this cube is the Chi S2x2. And this is the, so that's carbon fiber. So this is a Chi Warrior S carbon fiber cube. That's also Max Volk. Well, I don't know why there's 2x2 here. Max Volk there because he's not a 2x2 world record. Okay, so this is, let's see the first turns on this. Oh my god, this could be my main. Only if this one doesn't turn good. Oh my god! Let's see if you can do any U-tubes with one flip. Oh yeah, let's see the shades. I'm gonna do checkerboard pattern. Yep. I'll definitely not take these stickers off. So, I would actually recommend this cube. This is the fastest one by far. Okay, so on to this puzzle. Okay, it's open. So I got this pamphlet. Let's see if we can find the name of this cube. It's wet because I had to wash it. Let's see what it's called. Oh my god, this is a YJ puzzle. This is one of the best. Oh my god. YJ. So this is called the YJ 3x3, I guess. This is stiff. Okay, with a bit breaking in and stuff, this might be actually good. This is horrible right now. This is definitely not my main. Okay, is there any magnets in here? I don't know. There's a core that every cube has. This is, I wouldn't call it smooth, it's very stiff. So, yep, it's like the right color scheme. But this is literally how every cube comes, except for this one. This is so stiff. Well, it's YJ. What do you expect? Very good, but then every puzzle comes like this. Okay, now the pyramids. Only cube that I know how to solve. Okay. Pamphlet. Okay. Okay. It was kind of stiff at first, but not anymore. Guys, this is very good. Better than my Mofang. I don't think it's a Mofang pyramids, but then I just call it a Mofang pyramids because there's no other name than that. Let's see how many U-tubes it does, or just It's just a U. This is not very good. Yeah. Even up here means. That's it for today, guys. Bye.